Okay, we can use the chain rule combined with the fundamental theorem of calculus. We have that if we define f of x equal to the integral from a to x of a function in terms of t dt, then the fundamental theorem of calculus says that f prime of x is just the integrand evaluated at x. Then let's do an example. If we have f of x equal to the integral of e to the x plus cosine of x of a square root of 3t squared plus 4t to the 6 dt. Then again, if we make u equal to e to the x plus cosine of x, then we notice that this function changes into, here, let's make something 3 here. This function changes into this function. And then we can call this the outer function, and this the inner function. But the chain rule says that the derivative of this function is the derivative of the outer function times the inner derivative, which is the derivative of the inner function. Then here, the derivative of this function would be the derivative of this outer function. Using the chain rule, we get that the derivative of this function is a square root of 3u squared plus 4u to the 6. This is the derivative of the outer function. And then we have to multiply by the inner derivative, the derivative of the inner function, which is e to the x minus sine of x. Then the derivative of this function would be, remember we need to change the u in terms of x. We have to write the answer in terms of the original variable. Then in this case, the derivative of this function would be a square root of 3 times u, but u is e to the x plus cosine of x squared plus 4 times e to the x plus cosine of x to the 6. All of this times e to the x minus sine of x. Then this would be the derivative of this function.